today to test the Bauer Supreme Total 1 MX3. The first thing you'll notice about the stick is it's very light and very strong. The stick is made up of three main materials: carbon fiber, foam, and glue. Carbon fiber is made by the Torre Carbon Fiber Groups of America. Carbon fiber is carbon atoms bound together using polycrylonitrile, a natural resin, also known as PAN. Torre Group has manufacturing and distribution companies in Europe, Japan, and USA. They can produce 7,300 tons of carbon fiber each and every year. Like I said before, carbon fiber is made out of carbon atoms bound together using polycrylonitrile. This is an organic resin that is found from petroleum refining and natural gas processing. Believe it or not, this hard stick starts out as a fabric. Companies such as the Torre Group take the carbon fibers once they're bound together and roll them up into long sheets that look like toilet paper. If they're in this rolls, it makes them easier for shipping to companies such as Bauer, Easton, CCM, Reebok, and many more companies that make sticks. Once Bauer has received the rolls of carbon fiber through shipping, they are ready to start making the sticks. They have 8 different molds, which then they spray with the strong adhesive made from horse feet and hooves. Bauer does not make this, they purchase it. Because this process can be disturbing, companies don't release information on how it's made. While the glue is drying on the mold, they are ready to start preparing the carbon fiber sheets. A machine prepares the sheets, cutting them into the right specifications. This is literally like a fabric that you see on your shirt. All they do is roll it out and cut it into what specifications they need and get ready to roll it onto the stick. Once the glue has dried, a machine takes it off the mold. It gets sent to another machine through a conveyor belt, which then wraps carbon fiber around the glue. This process can be very difficult in case the glue cracks or breaks. If this happens, they need to restart and make the new stick, which can be very costly considering these things can cost anywhere from $60 to $350. In the process where they're making it, they add foam into the blade. The blade is this part right here. The foam is there so when you catch a hard pass or take a slap shot, it doesn't crack. If this stick cracked, it wouldn't be able to perform as good as it normally does. The final process of the stick is hardening the carbon fiber. To do this, a conveyor belt sends the carbon fiber wrapped around the mold to a new machine which places it on a rack with hundreds of other sticks. They then get sent into a chamber where there's no air leaking in and it's an airtight space. This is so no oxygen can leak in, and the carbon fibers can heat up in a very high temperature so that then it gets turned into hard composite. Once hardened in the carbonization chamber, they're ready to get started painting. After they're painted, they're ready to get sold to the public. You can purchase your own one of these great sticks anywhere in Canada. The main place to get it is at Pro Hockey Life. They have Pro Hockey Life stores all around Ontario and all around other provinces throughout Canada. The same stick as many NHL superstars. Greats like Alexander Ovechkin, Steven Stamkos, Claude Giroux, Patrick Kane all use Bauer. You can check out Steven Stamkos' video on YouTube by looking up Steven Stamkos' Field Goal Challenge. This video is a great way to check out how far you can shoot the puck. Some sticks are made to be great puck handlers, like the Apex 2, also made by Bauer. Other sticks, like this one, are made for power. This stick is a great one for taking shots. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Bauer Supreme MX3 and how sticks are made.